My name's Ken Shaw. I'm a National Account Manager with MiTek. We are a mezzanine manufacturer in North America and also have a presence over in Europe and Great Britain. Partnership with Cornerstone has been a long-standing partnership that we've had with them. They're a phenomenal partner to work with, providing the surface for our mezzanines that interacts with our clients' production or storage or conveyor systems. A lot of the layout and design work we do in-house with our engineers, but we have had some applications, especially with the advent of robotics on mezzanines, where we've taken advantage of the combination of deck materials that Cornerstone provides and having them provide the layout and design work to make sure that we're applying the appropriate deck in the appropriate areas on the platform. We prefer ResinDek because of the durability, the way they stand behind the product, the good warranty that they have. Customer service is fantastic, and just the overall experience that we have with Cornerstone has just been a great partnership.